Can we unlock Telegram channels without link? So you've heard about a private Telegram channel, you want to join it. But you don't have the invite link, and now you're wondering if there's any way in at all. This video gives you the real, honest answer and every legitimate option available to you. Welcome back. Today we're covering everything you need to know about accessing and unlocking Telegram channels without an invite link in 2026. What's actually possible, what isn't, and the right ways to find and join channels you're looking for. Let's get into it. Step 1. First, understand how Telegram channels work. There are two types of Telegram channels: public channels, which anyone can find and join freely, and private channels, which require an invite link generated by the channel admin to join. This distinction is important because the solution depends entirely on which type you're dealing with. Step 2. If the channel is a public channel, you do not need any link at all. Simply open Telegram, tap the search icon at the top of the app, and type the channel name or topic you're looking for. Public channels will appear directly in the search results, and you can join them instantly by tapping Join. Step 3. If the channel is private, there is no built-in way to access it without a valid invite link. Telegram's privacy system is designed specifically to prevent unauthorized access to private channels, and there is no legitimate workaround that bypasses this. Step 4. To get access to a private channel legitimately, reach out directly to the channel admin or an existing member and ask them to share the invite link with you. If the channel is related to a community, group, or service you're part of, contact them through their website, social media pages, or email. Step 5. Try searching for the channel across other platforms. Many Telegram channel admins promote their channels on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Reddit, or their own websites, and publicly post their invite links there. A quick Google search of the channel name plus the word Telegram often surfaces these links quickly. Step 6. Check if the channel has a related public Telegram group. Many private channels have an associated public discussion group where members interact. Joining that group and asking politely for an invite to the private channel is often the most effective approach. Pro tip: if you're searching for channels on a specific topic but don't know exact names, use third-party Telegram directory websites like TLGRM, EU, or Telegram channels, me, where thousands of public channels are listed and searchable by category. This is a completely safe and legitimate way to discover new public channels without needing any link at all. And that's your complete and honest answer. You cannot unlock a private Telegram channel without an invite link through any legitimate method. But you absolutely can find and join public channels freely and track down private invite links through the right channels. If this video helped clear things up, hit that like button, subscribe for more Telegram tips, and comment below what kind of Telegram channel are you trying to find. Maybe the community can help. See you in the next one.